Good day, everybody. This is setting up your Mt5 3. Now by now you must have known where to get your chart on the tab. Okay, this is your chart here. Okay, once you click on it, you get your chart. Okay, now you will see my chart now. Mine is showing. If you check this stuff here, what you're seeing here, all those things you're seeing here, this thing that looks like a graph, is called Japanese candlestick. Okay, it's just to represent it's a graphical representation of the market. Okay, because the market cannot be interpreted like that. Okay, so they need something to interpret the market, the prices. And this thing you're seeing here, these ones you're seeing, these numbers you're seeing at the right hand side here, they are called prices. Okay, price. Okay, now yours might not be showing like this, so in order to set yours to be showing green and red like mine, okay, tap your screen. Once you tap your screen, click on settings, which is this one here. Okay, once you click on settings, scroll down, you see all the tabs that you see that I did not mark. Like this one now might be marked on yours, this one might be marked on yours, all this tab here, all this one here, anyone that you see that is not marked on mine or marked yours. Okay, or marked yours, so it will help us. Okay, so just look at my screen. The only one that is marked here is show trade levels, this one, so unmarked the rest. Okay, then the next thing you should click is color. Look at color at the base of your screen, color. Okay, so you click on color. So once you click on color, locate bull candle. Look at bull candle here. Okay, locate bull candle, change the color to dark green. Look at the green I choose. Okay, change the color to dark green. Then locate bear candle, which is the second one. Okay, click on it, change the color to red, just like mine. Then after doing that, you'll see this tab here at the top of your screen, which is called done. Click on done at the top of your screen. Yours will be showing exactly like this. Okay, just forget about all these lines. I'll teach you how to use them. Okay, so that is how to change your colors of your bear and bull candles. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.